2025 Garden Trends: Blending indoor-outdoor spaces with modern minimalism and natural elegance. In 2025, the art of small garden design revolves around forging a harmonious bond between indoor comforts and outdoor vitality, encapsulating the essence of modern minimalist aesthetics intertwined with nature's unrefined splendor. This year marks a shift towards utilizing principles that prioritize simplicity, clean lines, and functionality, infusing tranquility into outdoor spaces. Imagine transitioning seamlessly from the cozy confines of your living room to a lush, verdant sanctuary, a transformation so smooth that the boundary between inside and outside dissolves into a serene continuum. Key elements such as natural stone, understated color palettes, and focal decor pieces are skillfully employed to establish a harmonious interplay between contemporary design and organic beauty. This creates environments that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing, embodying the elegance of nature wrought through minimalistic design touches. Whether it's a sleek seating area, a strategically placed water feature, or a chic planter, every element is curated to serve a clear purpose while maintaining the garden's serene aesthetic. The charm of these trends lies in their simplicity, encouraging a return to the basics that celebrate nature's intrinsic allure. Minimalist furniture and accessories allow the garden's natural features to take center stage. Using materials like wood, bamboo, and stone not only enhances the garden's visual appeal, but also fosters a soothing atmosphere that promotes relaxation and inner peace. By focusing on these natural materials, garden designs advocate for a closer connection to the earth, ideal for small spaces where every detail counts and contributes to an overall feeling of unity and calm. What makes the 2025 garden trends particularly captivating is their adaptability. With a thoughtful blend of modern and natural elements, any small garden can be transformed into an intimate retreat that seamlessly connects with the home's interior. Picture a garden that extends the warmth and comfort of your living room outdoors, brimming with indoor plants that gracefully migrate outdoors, creating spaces that are as inviting and cozy as any indoor setting. This design philosophy emphasizes the garden as an expansion of your living space, making it both practical and peaceful while maximizing every inch of available space. In 2025, small garden designs transcend traditional confines, not merely focusing on maximizing limited space, but celebrating an expanded sense of living that is intimately tied to the natural world. Such designs invite homeowners to create vibrant spaces that are liberated and expansive, filled with nature's vitality, yet subtly grounded in its calming presence. This synthesis of indoor-outdoor living exemplifies a forward-thinking approach where minimalism meets elegance, crafting gardens that are not just outdoor spaces but integral parts of our homes and lifestyles.